Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome back to my channel. Let me just go ahead and take this stuff out of the way. Don't want them here. So guys, I got my waist trainer on. Let's just get started, okay? So this video is way long overdue. I have all these boxes that I ordered from Amazon. It's been like over 2 weeks now. They arrived, but I haven't gotten a chance to open them. And when I got them, I was very busy throughout the week. Then the next week, I got coronavirus. So, but we have to get to these boxes. So this is the first one. This one. I should take this out of the way completely. There. Put this here. And the last but not the least, right there. 3 of these. So I'll be opening these boxes today, but not on this one video, because if I should open all of them in one video, it's gonna take longer time than I want it to be. So I'll have 3 videos, but today it's gonna be like box unboxing number 1, unboxing number 2, and unboxing number 3. I don't know if that makes sense, but you get the drift, right? So guys, let's start with 1. Which one? I don't even know what I have it. I know what I ordered for, but they all came at the same time, so I don't know what it is in each box. So I'll open them up and we'll all see this together. Do I have any knife? I forgot to grab a knife. Okay guys, I don't even know. I've had this on for a very long time now. This is really tight. If you guys don't keep quiet, you go take a nap. So go ahead and take that up. So you guys can see my tummy is coming down, 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 down.
Mommy, your tummy's almost big. It's almost growing.
My tummy is growing.
Yeah, it's almost growing like the grass.
Well, I don't think it's growing. It's coming down. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, it's
So
growing like very closer.
Okay, new. I don't want noise. Out. Right now. Like, right now. Do you want to go take a nap? If you want to stay here, have to be quiet. Okay?
This is the elevator.
If you want to be here, you keep quiet. Okay guys, back to business. My kids, they are done taking a nap, so it's time for noise making. So guys, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Let's start with this one. I'm hoping
Mommy, which one is number 2?
this is number 1, this is gonna be number 2, and this is gonna be number 3.
I know, there's 3. But if we switch it over, this one's go.
So this is my pots. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
So this is pots.
Mommy, I was actually thinking about that.
Okay guys, let's, you know what, I'm not gonna cut that off in case if I don't like this pot, if I have to return it. So there. Excuse me, I'm just trying so hard not to rip this box in case if I don't like this pot, in case I have to return them. So there wouldn't be any problem me doing so. Go ahead and pull this out. Okay guys, what the heck is that? Methane? This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness, Lord. Those look so tiny. Wow. Like seriously? This is way too tiny. So that is the medium. I don't know. This one. You guys have to put the volume of that TV down, please. Put it down all the way to 10. Got the third one. So guys, this is like the black cast. Black cast. So what is that the name of the brown or what? I don't know. Black cast. Did you guys see that? Yeah, so I don't know if that's the brown of this cooking ware. Oh, now I see that thing. Well, this stuff is meant to put like, there is nothing in that box anymore. So this is like to help me grab the food, like that. That makes sense now, right? Yeah, so that's what that is for, to grab your pot from the stove so your hand doesn't get burned. Okay, that's not bad. How much did I buy this pot? $60 something or $70. I can't remember. I have to go back to Amazon account to check to know how much I actually bought them. So, and this one, the pot, the quality, I think they have nice quality, but the sizes, these are not like really the size that I really want in a pot, because I have big family. We are 6 in number, so when I'm making any food, I make it a little larger quantity. So, but this one, I think for the price, I think it's reasonable. You know, $60 something, I believe. I will double check on my Amazon account to see how much I actually bought these pots, and I will let you guys know. So how many pieces are there? So this is like the biggest size here. So this is like the biggest size out of the pot, and this is like, for me, this is like small size for me. So I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. This is like small size for me if I'm cooking. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they are pretty too small for my family size. They are small, but I don't know, I might be keeping them. You know, I'll go ahead and keep them, but I will look for a bigger one. I have few big pots, but they're kind of a little bit weird off. So I'm looking at a pot that's not gonna be getting my food all bought out all the time. So I don't know. I know you guys can't see it from that far. I'll just go ahead and remove all the bags, all the plastic bag out of the way. So guys, that's it for this box. That's it. So guys, that's it for this box, and I think I'm deciding on keeping these pots. I'll keep them. If I need a bigger pot, I'll still go ahead and order a bigger size. So but for now, I'll keep them and see how it goes. As long as it doesn't get my food burnt, then I'll keep them. But if I try any of this and my food get burnt, sending it back right away. No wasting time, guys. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching me unbox these pots. So I'll go ahead and start another one. Like I said, I'll make these videos 3 different separate videos. So I don't want to make this video, I think it's already long right now. It should be about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'll go ahead and get it out and start the other box. So make sure you watch out for that one. Okay, all right guys. So oh baby, so I'm so happy with this. My stomach is kind of going down pretty well. What do you guys think? Right? So if I should hold my stomach, so this is like holding it down, and this is like, oh my god.
I think it's have to put them down quickly, not just drop them.
Alright guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next on my next video coming up soon. Stay tuned, stay blessed, stay tuned. See you next time. Let's take a shot. That's so ridiculous. Alright, bye. See you guys next time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, click the subscription button. Yes, go ahead and click that on the right. It's on the right there. Click it and turn on the notification bell as well, so you know whenever I post any video. And I apologize for my kids' noise. They can't keep quiet. Udoka, keep quiet for God's sake. So they can't keep quiet. So guys, bye. Okay guys, before I go, I just want to let you guys know that the video that I just made now unboxing the cookware is not a review of the product. No, it's not a review. It's just me unboxing my cookware. So maybe later, if there's anything at all that I want to let you guys know about the cookware, if it's a good quality, the product, if I want to review that, I'll come back and do that in a separate video after I might have used the pot to cook once or twice. Then I can give you guys a good review of the product. But for now, this is just me unboxing my cookware. It's not a review of products. So I just want to make that clear to you guys, so you don't wonder, wonder what did I say about the cookware. So this is just me unboxing it. It's not a product review. So guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye now. Bye for now. See you. Bye.